welcome to Make a Monday. I'm Michelle and today I thought we would make apricot balls. So we need shredded coconut, apricots. I actually found a packet of dried and chopped ones, so that makes it even easier, and condensed milk. You need a bowl to mix in, another bowl to put some coconut in, a 1 cup measuring cup, a half a cup measuring cup, and a spoon. So first off, we need to open our packets. So with the coconut, we need to set aside 1 cup of coconut, and this is used to coat the balls in when we're finished. So we've got 1 cup of coconut, put that in our bowl. The rest of the coconut goes into the bowl. So the packet is 250. So we've got 1 cup here and the rest in the bowl, the big bowl. We've got 200 of apricot chopped up, so we put that in the bowl as well. And 1 tin of condensed milk. So I'm just using normal condensed milk, but you can use skim milk, condensed milk if you wanted to as well. So just scrape the lid so we don't make a mess, because that always happens. And then just tip our condensed milk in. So we mix it until it's all combined. Okay then, so now what we need to do after we've mixed it all together, we get a small spoonful or bite size, depending on how much you want, and then we just roll it into a ball. This part's a bit messy, but that's okay. And then we roll it in the extra coconut and we put it on our plate. So then we just get another spoonful, roll it into a ball and coat it in our coconut again. And then we just continue on doing that until we've made all the mixture into balls, and then we set it aside for around 2 hours so it will set. You put them in the fridge to do that, to set, and there we go. So that draws us to the end of Make a Monday today. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy your apricot balls.